Now let's take them one after the other and then see some of their uses. The first gas we're going to take is helium. We know that helium has atomic number 2, so it has only one shell. Helium is used in balloons and airships. Helium is used in balloons and airships. It is much less dense than air, so balloons filled with it will float upwards. Balloons filled with helium will float upwards. Now, if you take helium, it is much less than air. When you put oil in water, the oil is going to stay above the water. Why? Because the oil is less dense than air. When we say density, we're talking about how closely packed the particles are in a specific mass of the substance. So when you take, let's say, 1 kilogram of stone, 1 kilogram of stone, and then let's say 1 kilogram of gas, of helium, okay, and this is 1 kilogram of stone, we are going to see that for the stones, the particles are tightly packed. Therefore, we are going to have more particles and less air spaces in the stone. But when you take 1 kilogram of helium, you're going to see that the particles are widely spaced. So there are more air spaces in the helium. And that means the helium will be less denser than the stone. So when you drop the stone in the water, the stone is going to sink. Okay, but for helium in air, you're going to see that the helium is lighter and then will float. So density is just referring to how tightly packed the particles are in a fixed amount of substance.